I'll try one more time. We're right here.
What a perfect morning for an adventure!
Let's find one, buddy!
Do you hear that?
It sounds like crying.
Hey, little one, what happened?
Storm! I fell. Can't fly home.
We can't leave him here! Let's get him safe now!
This storm came fast!
Keep him warm! We will find shelter! Warm! Thank you! Rest now. We will help your wing. You'll be our tiny trainee flyer.
I want to fly with you.
We'll teach you to flap again!
Operation Sky Buddy, Den, Day 1.
1, 2, flap!
I'm trying. Maybe I'm not meant to fly.
Every flight begins with a fall. Courage isn't no fear. It's trying despite it.
We're right here with you.
I can do this. I must try.
Hey, where are you going?
He's so small. Please be okay.
Rest now. You're safe.
No, it's too dangerous!
I can!
Can't! Hold on!
You saved me.
Always.
I thought I was gone.
You are still here, and we won't stop.
I'll try one more time. We're right here.
Thank you for showing me love.
No, please. Fly in the wind now. He taught us bravery and love. We'll remember him always. I miss his tiny songs.
We did all we could with kindness.
I miss his tiny songs.
We did all we could with kindness.
Every adventure changes us.
And his courage will teach us to be kinder every day.